Welcome to our video on the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. This fundamental equation in chemistry and biology is essential for understanding buffer solutions and pH stability. The Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is expressed as pH equals pKa plus the logarithm of the ratio of base concentration to acid concentration. Let's break down each component of this equation. First, pH represents the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, measuring how acidic or basic a solution is. pKa is the negative logarithm of the acid dissociation constant, which indicates how completely an acid dissociates in water. The logarithmic ratio represents the relative concentrations of the conjugate base to acid in the solution. To understand what pH values mean, let's look at the pH scale, which ranges from 0 to 14. Acidic solutions fall below 7, while basic solutions are above 7. The Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is crucial for understanding buffer solutions, which consist of a weak acid and its conjugate base. These solutions resist changes in pH through chemical equilibrium. The Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is important because it allows scientists to calculate the pH of buffer solutions and explains how these solutions maintain relatively stable pH levels despite the addition of small amounts of acids or bases. This equation is fundamental in biochemistry, medicine, and environmental science, providing the mathematical foundation for understanding how biological systems maintain optimal pH levels. As we continue exploring this topic, we'll examine how this elegant equation works in practice and how it helps us understand the behavior of buffer systems. The Henderson-Hasselbalch equation was developed through the work of two scientists in the early 20th century. Lawrence Joseph Henderson first formulated the mathematical relationship in 1908, studying how acid-base balance is maintained in biological systems. A year later, in 1909, Carl Albert Hasselbalch expressed Henderson's work in a logarithmic form, creating what we now know as the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. The equation was originally developed specifically for bicarbonate buffer systems, which consist of carbonic acid in equilibrium with bicarbonate ions. These buffer systems are crucial in biological processes, particularly in regulating blood pH, which must be maintained within a very narrow range between 7.35 and 7.45. This equation became foundational in chemistry and biochemistry, enabling scientists to predict and control pH in various buffer systems. Let's analyze each component of the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. The Henderson-Hasselbalch equation relates pH to the pKa and the ratio of base to acid concentrations. pH represents the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration, which measures acidity. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral, below 7 acidic, and above 7 basic. pKa is the negative logarithm of the acid dissociation constant. It represents the pH at which the acid is 50% dissociated. When pH equals pKa, exactly half of the acid molecules have dissociated into their conjugate base form plus hydrogen ions. The ratio term represents the concentration of the conjugate base divided by the concentration of the undissociated acid. As the ratio of base to acid changes, the pH shifts accordingly. When the concentrations are equal, the ratio equals 1 and the logarithm term becomes 0. When the base and acid concentrations are equal, the logarithm term becomes 0 and the pH exactly equals the pKa. This is a key principle in designing effective buffer solutions. Understanding these components of the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation helps us predict and control pH in buffer solutions. The Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is a powerful tool with diverse applications across multiple scientific disciplines. In laboratory settings, scientists use the equation to prepare buffer solutions with precise pH values, ensuring experimental conditions remain stable despite the addition of acids or bases. Physiological researchers rely on this equation to understand how blood maintains its pH at approximately 7.4, despite ongoing metabolic activities that generate acids. In pharmaceutical sciences, the equation is critical for drug formulation, as it helps predict how medications will behave in different pH environments found throughout the body. Environmental chemists apply the equation to understand natural water systems, where buffers help maintain ecological stability by resisting pH changes from pollution or natural processes. Finally, Clinical laboratories use the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation in diagnostic testing procedures, where maintaining specific pH conditions is essential for accurate test results. Let's work through a practical example using an acetic acid and sodium acetate buffer system. In this example, we have a solution containing 0.1 molar acetic acid and 0.2 molar sodium acetate. To calculate the pH, we'll use the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. We know that the pKa of acetic acid is 4.76, and we'll substitute our concentration values into the equation. The base to acid ratio is 0.2 divided by 0.1, which simplifies to 2. The logarithm of 2 is approximately 0.301. Adding this to our pKa value, we get a final pH of 5.06. Let's visualize where this buffer solution falls on the pH scale. Notice that the pH of our buffer is above the pKa value of acetic acid. This is because the ratio of base to acid is greater than 1. When the ratio of base to acid increases, the pH shifts higher above the pKa. Conversely, if the ratio was less than 1, the pH would be below the pKa. This example demonstrates how the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation allows us to precisely calculate buffer pH using the concentrations of acid and conjugate base. The Henderson-Hasselbalch equation provides several significant advantages in understanding and working with buffer solutions. First, it simplifies pH calculations by offering a straightforward method without requiring complex equilibrium calculations. Second, the equation allows scientists to design buffer solutions with precise pH values by simply adjusting the ratios of conjugate base to acid. Third, it's particularly valuable in physiological studies, helping explain how biological systems like blood maintain pH homeostasis despite metabolic changes. Finally, the equation's simplicity makes it an accessible tool for students and researchers across multiple disciplines, including chemistry, biology, medicine, and environmental science. These advantages have made the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation a fundamental tool in chemistry and biochemistry, enabling precise control and understanding of pH in various systems. Despite its utility, the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation has several important limitations that scientists must consider. The equation doesn't account for ionic strength effects, which can significantly impact actual pH in concentrated solutions. The equation assumes ideal solution behavior, which isn't always realistic. Molecules in real solutions interact in complex ways, especially at higher concentrations. The Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is most accurate when the pH is within plus or minus 1 unit of the pKa value. Outside this range, the calculations become increasingly inaccurate as the ratio between conjugate acid and base becomes extremely skewed. Temperature effects aren't incorporated in the basic equation, yet they significantly influence pKa values and equilibrium constants. For extreme concentrations, either very dilute or highly concentrated, the equation becomes increasingly inaccurate. For strong acids and bases, which completely dissociate in solution, the equation becomes increasingly inaccurate, and alternative approaches may be needed. In summary, while the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation is extremely useful, understanding its limitations is essential for applying it correctly in scientific and practical contexts. The Henderson-Hasselbalch equation has numerous practical applications across multiple scientific disciplines. In medicine, it's crucial for blood pH regulation and pharmaceutical formulations. Chemists rely on it for laboratory buffer preparations and analytical techniques. Biologists use it to optimize conditions for cell cultures and enzyme activity. Environmental scientists apply it in water quality testing and soil pH analysis. In food science, it helps with preservation methods and fermentation processes. And agricultural experts use it to improve soil treatment and nutrient availability. These applications span the entire pH scale, from acidic food preservation to basic enzyme environments. Each application requires precise pH control, which the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation makes possible. In conclusion, the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation remains a cornerstone tool in science. This elegant equation, relating pH to the ratio of a conjugate base to its acid, provides fundamental insights into buffer behavior. Its applications span multiple scientific disciplines, from medicine to environmental science. Despite its limitations, its simplicity and practical utility ensure its continued relevance in both research and education. The equation provides fundamental insights into acid-base chemistry that remain essential to our understanding. Most importantly, it enables scientists to precisely control pH in countless applications that benefit society.